Ever wondered if there's a catch to seemingly perfect financial solutions? Today, we're diving deep into Airwallex, a platform many businesses praise for its global reach and innovative features. But like any tool, it has its limits. So, what exactly are the limitations on Airwallex that you, as a business owner or a financial manager, need to be aware of? Let's set the stage. Airwallex has revolutionized how many businesses handle international payments, offering competitive exchange rates, multi-currency accounts, and streamlined global money transfers. It's a powerful platform for businesses operating across borders, but it's crucial to understand where its capabilities might not align perfectly with every need. One significant limitation lies in its primary focus on businesses. If you're an individual looking for a personal international money transfer service or a multi-currency account for personal use, Airwallex isn't designed for you. Their services are tailored for registered businesses, meaning sole proprietors, SMEs, and larger corporations. This isn't necessarily a flaw but a deliberate market segmentation. If your needs are personal, you'll need to look elsewhere. Another point to consider is country and currency availability. While Airwallex boasts an extensive network, it's not truly universal. There are still countries and specific currencies that are not supported for payouts or account holding. This can be a hurdle for businesses dealing with less common markets or those requiring transactions in highly restricted currencies. Before committing, it's vital to check if your specific target markets and currencies are fully supported. Imagine setting up your entire payment infrastructure only to find out you can't pay a key supplier in a particular region. Then there's the issue of transaction limits and regulatory scrutiny. Like all financial institutions, Airwallex operates under strict regulatory frameworks to combat money laundering and financial crime. This translates into transaction limits, both on a per-transaction basis and cumulatively over certain periods. While these limits are often generous for most businesses, very high-volume enterprises or those dealing with exceptionally large one-off payments might encounter restrictions that require pre-approval or additional documentation. This isn't unique to Airwallex, but it's a reality of global finance you need to be prepared for. Furthermore, while their exchange rates are generally very competitive, the transparency around exact fees can sometimes be nuanced. While Airwallex aims for clarity, understanding the precise breakdown of all charges, including potential correspondent bank fees for certain wire transfers, can sometimes require a deeper dive into their documentation or direct inquiry. For businesses meticulous about cost control, this might require extra due diligence. Finally, while Airwallex offers integrations with various accounting software, its overall suite of financial tools isn't as broad as a full-fledged traditional bank. For example, you won't find traditional lending products, extensive investment options, or complex treasury services that larger corporations might seek from their primary banking partners. Airwallex excels in global payments and multi-currency management, but it's not designed to be a one-stop shop for all corporate financial needs. It's an excellent complementary tool, not a complete replacement for a traditional banking relationship for many businesses. Understanding these limitations isn't about discrediting Airwallex, but about making informed decisions. No financial platform is a silver bullet, and recognizing its boundaries allows you to leverage its strengths while mitigating potential weaknesses. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.